What the gender is. Here's a cake. Is it A?
Which one is it?
When they cut through the cake, it will either be blue
Seriously, you're taking too long.
or it's going to be pink. Courtney is on the iPad talking to her sister who has to be involved in everything.
Hello.
Her name is Kimberly, but we call her Burke. Let's start out with Avery. Avery,
Yeah.
what do you think this next baby's gonna be?
I have no.
No, first tell me, what do you want it to be?
Boy.
You want it to be a boy. What do you think it's gonna be? No, first tell
You
me,
need to go potty?
why do you want it to be a boy?
Cause there's too many girls.
Audrey, you about to pee your pants? Hold it. So, why do you want it to be a boy?
Because there's too many girls in the house. I don't know.
There is,
I
right.
just want to.
Okay, what do you think it's gonna be?
A boy.
Okay, let's move on to Avery. Or, no, what's your name?
Abby.
Abby. Change the battery pack, I charge it. Abby,
Wow.
what do you think it's gonna be?
A cat.
A cat? Okay, what do you want it to be?
You're right.
A cat.
Okay, let's move on to Audrey. Audrey, what do you think the baby in mom's belly, right there, is gonna be?
A boy.
What do you want it to be?
Boy.
Okay, let's ask Adrian. Adrian, what do you think it's gonna be? Now it's time. Cut into the cake, and we'll find out. If it's pink, it will be another girl.
Dang it.
If it is blue, it'll be a boy.
cat? What's pink mean a cat? It's another girl.
Another girl.
Pink mean another cat. Pink mean a cat. I wanted to be a boy.
Love, is that a big Abby kid?
Well, there's not enough justice in this world to have a boy.
What?
Abby, get back in here.
What?
What'd you cut? Show me.
Girl.
So what's the next baby gonna be?
A cat.
A cat?
A girl. Oh, look, there's one. There it is.
Be a girl? What? You better get more excited, Avery.
Adrian, did you dig into it?
Audrey! Oh, well.
I told you guys you don't need a boy.
Adrian, I'll get you to go up.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Why are you
what
so
you've all been
surprised?
waiting for. The fifth child will be a female.
What?
There'll never be a boy.
This is so not cool.
Yes, it's a girl.
This sucks.
Why? You want a boy?
Yeah.
Go buy one.
And we're gonna.
You're weird.
Adrian's like, give me a grab of that.
Here.
Can I come like
Adrian, just grab this.
Avery. Avery.
Bye.
Audrey. Abby.
Bye-bye, cat.
Does the cake taste very good?
Are you sure? Let me see that again.
Yeah, but it's a girl.
He's like, yeah, I don't see anything there.
Is it pink? Let's see what it tastes like.
It's